Welcome to vlog 2 of the Kutch series, where I am traveling solo on my motorcycle across Saurashtra and Kutch regions of Gujarat. This part of the journey is about temples, faith, and prayers, and how travel and spirituality are deeply connected in India. In this vlog, I
Nice.
start from Bhavnagar and visit Salangpur Hanuman Temple, Jalaram Bapa Temple
I guess
in
they would
Tirupur,
have built a large copy.
and Khodal Dham in Karwar. These are not just religious sites, they are part of everyday life for millions and attract devotees from across the world. And what truly stands out on journeys like these are the people you meet on the road. Simple, warm, and always filled with help.
आप जय जलाराम. Good morning, friends. We all set. It's 8:45 and we leave from the hotel. And the luggage is set. Everything is ready. What a beautiful morning. And I will continue on the ride. So we are set to leave. We'll go for a breakfast at a place called Bapa Sitaram. We'll have famous Bhavnagari Gatia and some special aloo. I don't know what do they call. Let's try that out. It's kilometer from the hotel. Have quick breakfast, fill in petrol, and then head towards Saranpur. So let's go to Bapa Sitaram. Bapa Sitaram Nastagraha. We have a petrol over here. Let's fill it up. Then go for the breakfast. Let's go. Speed. Full. Petrol in Gujarat is cheaper by 7 rupees as compared to Maharashtra. So the trip is 319 divided by 9.14. So that's an average of 35, which is good, fantastic. There is some special scheme which is going on. So they're not charging 103, they're charging only 100. Even better. Be somewhere over here. Yes, we are here. Bapa Sitaram. खुले ना दिया जी. It's not open, so we'll have to find something else. Bhagwat. But let's try and see if we can find alternate place. This is Bhavnagar terminus. Bhavnagar railway station. I had put Bhagwati Gatia, and this is where Google has made me reach. Doesn't look right. Let's do one thing. We will head towards Sarangpur, and on the way, if we find good breakfast place, we'll have breakfast over there. Let's do that. Buffaloes have created a jam. Not so good looking buffaloes. Wow, what a brilliant road. ऐसे नहीं कहते गुजरात के रोड अच्छे हैं. वाह वाह. I think this is just a start. I think the road will only get better. But this looks so amazing. These green shrubs across the road, single road and long road. Wow, wow. Can you see that bird? White bird. I don't know which bird is that. but look at the style and the pose it is giving. Fantastic. I didn't get breakfast, so having this protein bar for breakfast today.
While I enjoy my protein bar, you take a moment to enjoy the landscape.
See, in this trip, we are going to cover a lot of temples, and there are three reasons for that. One is last month and a half has been a very difficult one for family as a whole. Someone in the family had health issues. You know, when you go through such tough phases, your faith in God, gets reaffirmed, because beyond certain things are not in your control. So yeah, that's the number one reason. The number two reason is Gujarat Kutch is favorite place of my dad, and he almost religiously comes once a year, visits various temples. The fact that I will also visit those temples will make him happy. And third is in India, if you're traveling, because of the faith people have in God, temples are unavoidable. In fact, it's a tourism, religious tourism. Visiting temples, famous temples in India becomes unavoidable. You know, the fact that I've been working in a corporate for so many years, you start questioning faith, and you are in the dilemma whether to believe or not to believe. But certain events in life, they make you believe, yes, there is God, there is a superpower you can't see, but there is. Now we are on this highway. It's a brilliant highway, and we are heading towards Saranpur. See you there. Shri Kasta Bhajan Dev Hanuman Mandir, Saranpur, 14 kilometers to your left. So we take a left here from some Vallabh highway. Oh, good places to eat, but we'll come later. Google shows temple is 1.5 kilometer from here, but I see this entrance which says parking for temple. Let's check out. Huge. This is like huge, and it's so beautiful, so clean, so nice. I didn't expect this. Seriously, I didn't expect this. This is fantastic. So we have reached Hanuman temple. We'll go and take blessings of Hanumanji.
Salangpur is a small village in Botad district, but it carries a powerful energy. This isn't just any temple. It's the Sri Kastabhajan Dev Hanumanji temple. You may not have heard of it, but ask your parents or elders at home, and they will tell you its importance. Established in 19th century, the temple is linked to the belief mentioned in the Hanuman Chalisa. भूत पिशाच निकट नहीं आवे, महावीर जब नाम सुनावे. Legends say the Hanumanji idol was installed to drive away bad times and negative energies affecting the local people. Even today, devotees from across the world come here seeking strength, protection, and clarity when life feels stuck. Whether you are religious or not, the vibrations of this place are hard to ignore.
So guys, we just had the darshan and I got the prasad as well. So it's 12 o'clock and we will have lunch now. We'll find out a place. This gentleman told me there's a place called Vrindavan. So I'll go and try Vrindavan. It's 1 kilometer from here. And after that, we'll leave for Virpur to take Jalaram Bapa's darshan. To see you on the road. चलो थैंक यू या और म्यूचुअल फंड में डालना पैसा थोड़ा थोड़ा करके SIP करके यस चलो बाय थैंक यू सो नाउ गाइस वी head to Virpur. Before that we'll have lunch at Vrindavan. We'll check out that place first and then decide. थैंक यू हनुमान जी. श्री कष्ट भजन देव साडमपुर भगवान हनुमान भगवान की जय. लेट्स गो. This is Hotel Vrindavan, almost 1 kilometer from the temple, and it's looking good. Let's go ahead. Lunch done. Now we head to Virpur. It's 127 kilometers, showing 3 hours. ETA is 4:15. I think I'll take some breaks. So by 5 we should be at Virpur. This is Botar. Looks like a big town, busy town. Roads from Sarangpur to Birpur have been mixed bag. Initial 15-20 kilometers were very patchy. Last 4-5 kilometers it has become smooth. Let's see. Hoping the road remains the way they are right now or become better. To have 1 cup of tea in this place called Vichia. चाय मिलेगा? चाय 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 विदाउट शुगर. विदाउट शुगर. साकर नहीं चमकता है शक्कर. लॉट्स ऑफ ट्रैक्टर्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ गुड्स. ये आपके घर पे आ रहा है. wondering what it has. It's long. Wow. It ends now. Again stuck in herd of cattle and then this truck. Excellent. This can happen only in India. I've taken a quick washroom break at this place, Art Court, and am pleasantly surprised to see this mall. It's a food mall. Didn't expect it. Looks good, brilliant. India shining. वीरपुर वीरपुर वीरपुर
યુપી
વીરપુર
વીરપુર જલારામ બાપાની
જલારામ બાપા
ફ્રોમ તમારું કઈ જગ્યાએ
મુંબઈ મુંબઈ મુંબઈ
ગોંડલ
મુંબઈ મુંબઈ
મુંબઈથી
હા
શું વાત છે બ્રો
હા
યુટ્યુબ ચેનલ
સિમ્પલી ધીરેન
પહેલા તો કેમ છે તમને
તમારું નામ
મારું નામ પ્રતિક
પ્રતીક
મારો વિચાર છે આનો ગોપ્રો ને બધું મારી પાસે છે
અચ્છા
અને લાઈફ સ્ટાઈલમાં નથી મેળ આવતું
અચ્છા
આવો અમારા ગામમાં અમારા ઘરે આવો
શું કામ છે તમારું
દેવડા
દેવડા સબસ્ક્રાઇબ્ડ
એટલે મુંબઈથી ના એટલો બધું જગ્યા તમે બાઇકથી ને
હા હું મુંબઈથી કાલે ભાવનગર આવ્યો
હા હા
ભાવનગરથી આપણે સારંગપુરથી વીરપુરથી હવે પ્લાન કરશું રાતના જુનાગઢ
તમે એક જ છો
આ એકલો
તો હમણાં 2 દિવસ પહેલા જ આપણે જેતપુર થઈને 3 બાઇકર નીકળ્યા હતા
અચ્છા એટલે ઘણા આવશે ને
એ તો સ્પોર્ટ બાઇક વાળા હતા
યસ યસ ચલો થેન્ક યુ there is always an excitement with lot of kids youngsters and of course even I was excited when I used to see bikers fully decked it feels good one more subscriber added so we are in Virpur temple is here somewhere here आप
કરાડ સાતારા
का कराड़ मैं आया कराड़ में
હા
हाँ कराड़ कराड़ अच्छा है
यही म्हणजे गाडीवरनं चालवता
हाँ सही
एक अकेले
अकेला दोस्त लोग को बोला था दोस्त लोग आया नहीं
So I have reached Virpur and photography and videography is not allowed in the temple premises as expected in most of the temples in India. Key important things about Virpur, this is the birthplace of Jalaram Bapa. He is a revered saint in Gujarati and Kutchi community and a lot of people have faith in him. In fact, I met across people who had come from Maharashtra. The best part about this temple is you find the original photograph of Jalaram Bapa and the footprints. One more fact about Virpur, which is an exception, is that they don't accept any kind of donations over here, which is unlike any other temple that I have heard of in India. I don't know how they meet their expenses. My guess is they would have built a large corpus long back. I think since 2001 they have not been accepting any donations. So yeah, that's wonderful. So now we will head towards this place which my dad told to visit. I'm not able to recollect the name. I'll figure out. We'll go there, but I think most likely I will stay in Junagadh for night, which is like 50 kilometers from here. One more thing, no devotee can go without having food or prasad which is given over here. And while this is not lunch or a dinner time, they were offering tea, which was very nice. I enjoyed the tea. So I met this guy, his name is Mukund. He offered me tea
and has given me his number, saying that if you have any problems anywhere in Saurashtra, just call him. So nice of him. Fantastic. So now we head to Khodaldam Mandir, which is 8 kilometers from here, and from there we will go to Junagadh. We'll spend around half an hour, 45 minutes. Let's see how it goes. Thank you. Jai Jalaram. A small village, Virpur. Absolutely tiny. But brilliant. I felt good coming over here. And the people were fantastic. The hospitality was next level. GoPro stopped recording. Got jammed, bus and truck in a narrow lane. They have been debating who will take reverse. Finally, the bus guys agreed. Some sanity has prevailed.
Just a short drive from Virpur, in the village of Kakwad, stands Khodaldam, one of the largest temples in the world dedicated to Ma Khodiyar. Khodaldam is more than a temple. It's a major cultural landmark, especially for the Patel community. The temple was inaugurated in 2017 during a record-breaking event where over 35 lakhs people gathered and created a world record for the largest group singing the national anthem simultaneously. The temple was built using pink sandstone from Rajasthan. The temple uses no iron or steel in its construction. More than 650 intricate statues were carved by artisans from Odisha. True unity in diversity. Out of respect, the temple was intentionally built 10 feet shorter than the Somnath temple, which we will be visiting in the next vlog. The timing of visit to this temple couldn't have been better.
Now we head to Junagadh. I got a beautiful darshan of Khodal Mataji. What a beautiful place, and the carvings awesome, and the timing perfect, just with the backdrop of sunset. It was just superb. I met a group of people over here. They were very fascinated by the fact that I've come from Mumbai solo on a motorbike. They motivated me, and it feels very satisfying and good. So now we head to Junagadh. Did hotel booking in 2 minutes on Make My Trip. Saw the hotel within budget and clicked check-in. My hotel is around 45 to 50 minutes from here, 33 kilometers. So I'll see you directly at the hotel. One thing which I observed is this region in Gujarat is far more greener than I expected. I don't know whether it has always been this green or it's been a recent change. But yeah, it's greenery all around. Fantastic. It's so nice and soothing to ride through the fields on both the sides of the road. Looks brilliant. Feels brilliant. I missed the left turn on the highway for the hotel, and now Google is showing this alternate route. I was not sure if I should get, but then I saw this biker going, so I'm just taking comfort from that and following them. Thankfully, I'm on some road. Phew. Finally, back to highway. So finally, Greenland Hotel. We have found you.